Hi, Chris here. This is number 2 in the block 100 video, and in this we're going to be filleting these corners. So we pick on fillet. Now with fillet, it pays to type in R, enter to set the radius, and the radius in our case is going to be 10 mil. So we type in 10, hit enter, and then at the command line it says select the first object, so we pick on that as the first object and pick on that, and there you'll see it's filleted it. So we go back into fillet. It remembers the fillet, so you only need to pick on the first object and then the second object, and you'll see that this has filleted the corners. So now let's draw the cutout in the middle. So to do that, we can go back to line, and as we hover over this line, you'll see that triangle come up. That's a midpoint. We'll drag across and you'll see the triangle again. That's an O-snap to the midpoint. Pick on there, hit enter to get out of the line command. And now what we're going to do is we're going to go to offset, and it creates parallel lines. So we pick on offset, and it says specify the offset distance. So in this case we're going to type in 10 and hit enter. Now we select the object to offset, and then it wants to know which side to put it on. So we move the mouse up here and pick, select the object again, move the mouse down and pick, and then go escape. You can go back into offset, and this time we're going to set the distance to 30. So we type in 30, hit enter, pick the line to offset, which side, this side or this side. In this case it's on this side, and hit enter. And then we're going to trim off some of those things. So we pick on the trim command, pick on the trim, and as you're coming across to trim, you'll see it's a little square box. Right hand click on your mouse. Now you can pick off the things that you want to get rid of. Hit escape, and then you can erase those lines because you know no one will need them. And then you can fillet this. So we'll go fillet and pick on the first. Remember, it remembers the radius. Go to fillet, pick on the first, second, and that's the end of this video.